Welcome again to our new presentation powered by EcoGreen Energy. Today I'm very happy to announce you that we reach our production to 500 megawatts, which means we increase and double our production. We're very happy because we want first to thank you all, our distributor and client, for following our brand and staying loyal to our brand. Of course, in reaching more production and more quantity means we had to expand locally. So we opened also a new office in Shanghai, and we welcome all our clients to visit us as soon as they can, including of course our production line. As an international French company, our expansion of the brand is going now to over 50 distributors in many countries, including in Mexico, Colombia, Morocco, France, Spain, and many others to come. And we are counting on you to also distribute this wonderful brand and all that what the brand represents. And our brand represents quality, good raw material, good control over the process, and making, most importantly, our client very happy of our product. We have been increasing our number of loyalty of clients. We have been increasing the international team to serve you very well and to make sure that we always listen to your expectation. So our international team have been quite present and quite active to serve you well. We consider that our panel are also a lifetime investment, and we want to make sure that this lifetime investment is always positive and good. So pay attention when you choose a solar panel, that you pay more attention to the quality rather than to the cheap price. And we are the image of the good quality because we want to build a greener world together that would last long. Thank you for choosing us. Thank you for being with us for so many years, and we'll continue to fight together for the coming